Hey guys, it is Friday here in West Virginia, and we are doing our Free It Friday, and we are doing the latest, at least I think it's the latest, set of premium Fast and Furious cars, the 5-car set. And it was released probably a couple months ago, but it seems to be the only one that my Walmart keeps getting in. At first, they were trending. They were selling out quickly, especially the first two cars because they're new castings. Now they're peg warmers, even the first two new cars, which are these guys here, the Integra and the Maxima. These were really popular, and they were going for 15 bucks, 20 bucks each on eBay when they first came out. Now they're just kind of going for maybe 7 or 8 bucks. And as I said, they're even warming the pegs at my Walmart, which I'm kind of surprised because they are two new castings. They are cool castings and such. So surprised that they are warming the pegs. The other center two or middle two are ones that have been done before. The BMW from F7 and then the Mustang from, I forget which show, or F9. Okay, so the Mustang from F9 I think was done before. The only one that is new is the one from Fast X. Not a new casting, because as you know, it was done as a mail-in car. It also was just done in the spectacular Italian lineup. So yeah, this is a casting that's been done quite a bit in premium series, but it's new for the Fast and Furious lineup. So we're just going to do these in order. Just want to go over these real quick with you. So we're going to rip these off the card together. As I said, these new ones, the glue that they use is really good, so it's really hard to open these without really tearing the paper. So, anyways, we're going to take these out and look at them together and just throw the cards away. So, this is the Acura Integra. I probably should have read the full name before I threw the card to the side. So, anyways, it does have great card art. These do display nicely carded, but this is the custom Acura Integra Sedan GSR. So, going back and looking at this, looks really good. Nice paint, nice tampos. The low pro small diameter 6 spokes look really good on it. It does have casted in mirrors, which is cool. And it looks to be a left-hand drive. And the headlight tampos are there. The mesh is in the front bumper cover and in the grille. Taillight tampos are there. The HKS and Type R stickers are on the rear bumper cover. The exhaust tip is coming out through the cutout on the rear bumper cover. The spoiler is molded into the body, so it is die cast. It is a 4-door sedan, so they got the name right. And it's metal on metal, rubber tires, and such. So very cool casting. The next one is from the original Fast and Furious, and this is the 99 Nissan Maxima. And another cool casting, nicely done. Card art is very nice. So let's just go ahead and get him off of this card here. And take a look at him. Yeah, I think the first year they started doing these like premiums, it was on the small cards though that they were having problems with the blisters coming loose. That ain't gonna happen anymore. These are very well glued on. So that's why I don't even open them before the show anymore. I just do them with you guys because there's no way I'm saving these cards. So nice dark blue paint with a light metal flake in it. Once again, molded in mirrors in the casting. So another nice job by Hot Wheels with these side mirrors. That really helps the appeal of the casting. Nice Nissan emblem in the grille, headlight tampos, all of your detail on the bumper cover. Looks really good with these gray 5 spokes. This is one of my favorite newer release wheels from Hot Wheels. Then it has Toyo tires, little sponsor sticker on the rear door, very subtle. And number 2 on the rear quarter. Nice detail on the taillight tampos. So very, very nicely done casting. It's really hard to see through the window to see steering wheel and interior. They're really blacked out windows, but very nice detail. Well, actually, the chassis, it's so-so. It's not as nice as the Integra, but pretty cool car. So that is your second one in this lineup. Number 3 is a redo, and a recent redo, actually, is this Beamer from F7. The white with the teal wheels. And card art, once again, looks good. And this casting I like. The BMW M3 E46. Very cool casting from Hot Wheels. It first appeared in the Deutschland set, I think, in a blue, if I'm not mistaken. But it was a very sought after casting. And then it kind of lost its, I don't know, fame. People still like it, though. It's not a bad looking car. Actually, I really dig the casting. It's a very nicely done casting. Nice body lines, nice details. Front end is very well done with the tampos, the grille, the emblem, the headlights. Everything is there. The only thing they didn't do, and I would have done on this casting, is casted in some side mirrors. But they didn't do that on this one. Kind of strange. Nice detail on the taillight tampos, the molded in ducktail wing with the BMW emblem, the M3 there. Not bad with the chassis detail and the rear air diffuser with the exhaust tips coming through. Pretty nice. You have the cowl vents detailed. So, very cool car. And this looks to be a right-hand drive vehicle, I think. Hard for me to tell here. Let me zoom in a little bit and see what we can tell about the interior here. No, it looks like it's the left-hand drive. My bad. So, once again, another nice car in the Fast and Furious lineup. Then the next one is another cool car, the Custom Mustang. And the card art is very nicely done. And to me, I think this is like a 2019 Mustang, something like that. But they just say Custom Mustang. And this is from F9. And this is a nice looking car in the package. I want to get it out and see. And these are really glued on there good. So, let's take a look at this guy. Another one that they probably should have put mirrors on, since they're doing it to all the other ones. Like the blue on this is heavy metallic dark blue. Looks really good with the white center stripe. The new style 10 spokes look really good on the car. Nice detail, the grille, the headlights and such. Like the attention to detail with the stripe going down to the chin spoiler all the way up. All the way down the back to the back bumper cover. Nice detail with the exhaust tips there. And the diffuser. Not bad, but chassis detail. And such. Very cool looking car. So not bad at all. Just as I said, with this one and the BMW, could have used the side mirrors casted in. Now, the last one is a new one for the F&F lineup, but as I said, it's not a new casting. The Alfa Romeo, I'm not even sure if I'm saying this, Giulia Sprint GTA, or Giulia, I'm not sure how they pronounce their G. So anyways, nice card art by the Colosseum in Italy. Looks pretty cool. And Han was driving this one in the F10. So let's get him off the card and take a look at him. This is a cool little casting, and actually, even with the melons that I still have left that I was selling, actually I don't have any more left. They sold out quite quickly lately, and I think F9 or F10 gave the car some popularity, so people were buying them up. The 2022 melons that I had. So I'm really surprised that this didn't sell better than it did even the first couple sets that were released at my Walmart. Everybody went for the Integra and the Maxima. And then probably thirdly would have been this Alfa Romeo. But now they're all peg warmers. And I hate to see that because my Walmart probably has like, I don't know, I bought this complete set last week and they probably still have three or four complete sets and then probably three or four partial sets minus the Integra and Maxima. So it's going to be a while before we get any more F&F cars. So nice detail on the front end. The trademark Alfa Romeo grille triangle. Nice flared out body. I do like that look of this little car. Always have the way the sides flare out on it. Subtle back detail, but it's there. The tail lights. The black stripe with the orange. It does scream Halloween, which is coming up on us next Tuesday. So this will be like the Halloween car, I guess I would call it. So pretty cool. So anyways, guys, that is our 5 F&F cars. Well, I'm trying to get these in the shot here to close out, and that is it. Our 5 F&F cars and such. And then this weekend we're going to be doing another mini GT video. I have 2 Nismo GT3 R35s to unbox for you guys, so we'll be taking a look at them. One is a very hard to find exclusive with Pop Race. It was a collaboration between Pop Race and Mini GT, the white Eva one. We're going to unbox that one. It comes in a small little window box, and then we're going to be unboxing the one that Mini GT did on their own. It's a white of GT3 in red lettering. We'll be doing that either tomorrow or Sunday. So be sure to tune back in and watch that one, and enjoy your weekend, your Friday, guys. Thanks for watching.